big load. Get back into high gear, and off we go. Man, I cannot wait to be done with this cleanup. It is like excruciatingly painful, because whenever you know that you only have a certain amount, I mean, I guess it's just, yeah, I guess I'm just spoiled, man. No, I'm being spoiled. Sorry, guys. No, this is just fine. This is great.
Alright guys, so this is a job that I did for my neighbor. He had 2 pecan trees down and they were on top of the house. I took them off the house with a tractor and I put all the debris into the woods. Here's some pictures of before the video. I hope you enjoy the video. Here's some pictures before and after the removal. I didn't do a full cleanup, but it's good enough. So anyways, enjoy the video. And I didn't capture all the footage.
What's up, guys? It's Serge again. I'm coming back. I started this job in the afternoon yesterday. As you could see, I've been cutting these branches off. These pecans fell down on the roof partially, this one partially, and that one, a lot of the branches are on the roof over there. There's 2 pecan trees here. We're gonna take them out. This is for my neighbor. He's gonna flip this house. He's selling this house, and we're gonna just get started on it here. Like I said, we already started yesterday afternoon. Took about a little time to do it. I worked down a lot of the branches. We're gonna be putting a lot of these branches away into the woods. And I told him I'm gonna do half haul them away and half put them in the woods. But I'm thinking I'm probably gonna be able to fit all of it into the woods like we had previously spoken about. So I'll let him know that, but yeah. Stay tuned and we are gonna get started back up again. Hope you like the video. First load of the day. About to set it into high gear.
Hey guys, feel free to skip around. The video is a bunch of cleanup with the tractor. If you want to see some chainsawing, it's in between.
Mess, man. What a mess. We made it to the dumping location. Now we made it to the loading location. Not to lose that branch right there, so I lifted the load up really high. I don't want to lose that branch because I don't know what else is going to tumble out of there if I lose just that branch. All right, guys, we made it to the dumping location once again. Boom! All right, guys, I think that we got to keep on cutting, which kind of sucks because I wanted to be on the loader the whole time and have somebody cut over here, but like, I mean, when you work alone, you kind of have to jump off the loader, which is fine. see. What else is there? What else is there? What else is there? Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy. I guess I'm gonna clean the rest of this out and then see what we got. I guess whenever it's the morning sometimes, I'll be in that mood where things are just not going fast enough for me. Like the way that my brain works, my body and the world doesn't work as fast. And I'm not trying to brag. I'm just saying that's just how my brain is. I got a lot of things I gotta do. Look at that. It is definitely starting to shape up. I hope that I can get these logs gone and just be done. Like, I'm already ready to be done. Got another load. Yeah, it's starting to look cleaner, man. As we're getting into the bigger wood, I'm noticing that this bar is starting to show its wear. It's starting to curve this way, which sucks. So I might need to get a new bar, but we'll see. off the tire. Oh. Oh. Oh, guys. I don't do this kind of work anymore. And I woke up cranky. That's probably why I'm complaining. I'm sorry. Oh. All right, guys. Here we go. Save out some of these bushes, hopefully. Man! Alright. Good. There's a ton of fire ants here. I just got bitten up like by 100 of them. No, just probably 20, but yeah. Whew. All those ants, guys. Woo! Oh yeah. It's a big boy. Oh yeah. We're gonna be changing out this chain and bar. It's been running through the wood very crooked, and I'm sick of it. You hear that, guys? That's beautiful. Man, this saw is cutting crooked still. Ooh. Boom. A little smaller, but it's still kind of big.
Guys, this is where it about cuts off the video. I couldn't finish the video or couldn't finish filming all the footage because the GoPro died, so sorry about that, but here's the rest of it.